You're watching how to check my Instagram login devices on iPhone. Open the Instagram app and ensure you are logged into your account. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down within the Settings menu and tap on Account Center. In the Account Center, select Password and Security. Then tap on where you're logged in or active sessions. This will show you a list of all devices and locations where your Instagram account is currently logged in. Each entry typically includes the device type like iPhone or Chrome on Windows, location, and the approximate time of the last activity. Review this list carefully. If you see any device or location you don't recognize, it could indicate unauthorized access. To log out of a specific device, tap on that device's entry and select Log Out or Remove. To log out of all devices except the one you are currently using, look for an option at the bottom that says Log Out of all sessions or Log Out of all other sessions. Tap this and confirm. This is a key security step if you suspect your account has been compromised. After logging out elsewhere, you will need to log back in with your password on any other device you want to use. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.